Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about the Bristol ADX 160 is yet another Honda ADV 160 clone. So make sure to watch the full video. It's generally agreed upon that the Honda ADV 150, now the ADV 160, was the first adventure-style scooter in the beginner class. Borrowing its genes from its bigger X-ADV sibling, the ADV 160 offers rugged capability with the practicality of a commuter scooter. Granted, most ADV 160 owners keep their machines on the streets. There's no denying the cool factor the bike's rugged looks bring to the table. That said, being the first at something usually means that a lot of people are going to copy you. And if there's one scooter aside from Vespa that's so frequently imitated, it just has to be Honda's ADV scooters, right? Well, yet another ADV 160 clone has emerged, and it's from Philippine-based motorcycle label Bristol Motorcycles in the form of the ADX 160. Yes, they actually had the audacity to name it so similarly to the ADV 160. But the similarities don't end there. In fact, the ADX 160 looks like a more beefy, dare I say, premium ADV 160. Bristol Motorcycles is a relatively new motorcycle brand. It imports models from China and rebrands them for the Philippine market. The brand is known for providing a wide selection of models at affordable prices, and the ADX 160 is the newest feather on its cap. On the performance side of the equation, the ADX 160 is powered by a 155.6 cc liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, single-cylinder engine. As such, we can expect it to have similar performance as other scooters in the segment, with about 15 horsepower and around 10 pound-feet of torque. The scooter sets itself apart from its competition with an adjustable windscreen, LED lights, wire-spoked wheels, and a full-color TFT display. The ADX 160's aesthetics are further enhanced by large disc brakes and a gold anodized inverted front fork, an interesting feature for such a small scooter. In terms of pricing, Bristol Motorcycles is selling the new scooter in the Philippine market for a retail price of 178,000 peso, or about $3,280 USD. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.